Alright. I come from up there, from down there up. Maybe I'll go along the edge. I'm having like zigzag because somewhere it's not good to pass, but there is something like a pathway along the edge. Nice, very wild fallen oat forest, you know. Oh, see that's the rock formation actually. See that? I think that's the second one actually. I think I have passed through the smaller one, but let's see then. Down there is the road. Whew. Maybe I'll put my green jacket. It's a little bit coldish. It's pretty wild there, folks. Let me see from this side. This is strange. Wow, absolutely wild. Okay, it's you know. Ooh, look out. Oh, it's far away up there. Check the rock. I still have time before my daily job. A call center from home. And check what I found. Ant world. Yeah. I don't want to destroy their home. Okay, folks, I'm gonna go to the wild and just go through this place, and we're gonna play this game, zigzagging. Oh, pretty wild forest, huh? Too bad it's dead. I wonder what happened, you know. Some of them are fallen, some of them are just maybe eaten by the bark eaters. This is some disease, kind of some parasite on the spruce trees. But yes, I definitely, folks, I wanted to go to the smaller rock formation, but it is already somewhere down there. I passed through it because it's pretty wild area, and from down there, from the parking where I wanted to observe it and to see how to go to it, somehow I actually, where I was in the forest, it wasn't so easy to find, but I found the more far away part where the wild goats probably go there, you know. I still have 2 hours before work, and I will try for 15-20 minutes to go to that rock probably. But it's pretty wild. At least on the way down it's gonna be easier for me. Now I'll have to pass through here, folks. Let's see now. Wild adventures. You have to sacrifice time and effort. But it's worth it. It's full of good driftwood actually, folks, in this forest. And I feel like in heaven, you know. Check where I am. I think this is gonna be the first part of the edge already. And now let's see here the view actually, folks. Some view down there. And this rock also. Alright. Now let's see the first edge. It's a little bit tricky, folks. Sleepy, I mean. Okay, check that thing. We're closer to the heavens, where the goats live. Wow, what a place, folks. I've never expected this. Check. I can go there. Wow. It's unbelievable. Right. Amazing. It's a little bit cold. Oh, I'm gonna put my hoodie, folks. I'm gonna have to put this, the green thing. I hope you like the view. Yeah, that's gonna definitely help me be a little bit on the coziness. Wow, it's wild area, folks. This is amazing. I've never been here so far, and it's so close to my town, you know. Okay, let me zip it. Okay, did it. Nice. I feel a little bit better, folks. Let me see if it's still making the video. My name is Hristo from Smolен, Bulgaria. Smolen is down there, folks. And if you like adventure videos in the mountains, please subscribe, like and share. And this whole summer I'm gonna show you similar places from the Bulgarian mountains. And it's just pretty much absolutely amazing. Check these flowers, folks, these small yellow flowers. And I feel on top of the world. And yet there is more to come. I'm gonna pass through, you know. Okay, folks, let me start another video. Check my next video for the part up there.